back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Hey! Let's keep the family growing. Okay, so my eyes are still recovering. If you guys see, still have some popped vessels on my eye, but I'm able to see very clearly. The doctor was like, most people wonder why they didn't do this sooner, and now I realize I'm most people. I saw the sign, I opened up my eyes, I saw the sign. But anyways, today I'm going to braid my hair so I can get ready for my birthday. I'm so old. Do my hair. So just see you guys in a bit. And just like that, it is done. I also got some little embellishments and jewelry. So let's go add them in now. I like it. Okay. Hey! Let's keep the family growing. Was that funny? Yeah. Like I dipped in and then like
That's so funny.
Yeah, it's so funny. So I wanted to show you guys that I have a new baby. Isn't she pretty? So that's one of my gifts. I spent the day cleaning because I'm going to have a brunch tomorrow for my birthday. A couple of my friends are coming over. Introvert, I ain't got that many friends. I have like 2. So they're coming over and we're going to celebrate and drink tons of mimosas. Look how big my elephants are. Oh, hello. Okay, fun fact, I actually found this elephant here in my backyard and she was like a little tiny baby. So I plucked her up and I planted her and like so she's right here, and you guys already know about my snake plant. Hello, snake plant. Okay, let me stop. This is not a plant tour, so I am currently cleaning. I took away all the cushions from my couch and I'm actually washing them. I just built this, y'all. Oh, let me show y'all. So I actually did not record me building it, but I made this little blanket ladder. Super easy, took like 2 seconds. I just cut some dowels. I had 2 sets of dowels. I cut them in half and it made 4 letters. So, and then something new to show you guys. My friend, my amazing friend Carmela sent me this for my birthday. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh! Okay, it's so pretty. So, okay, so I just did a whole bunch of nothing just now, so I'm going to just leave you guys with some plants as I clean.
We love you. I
school.
I already got accepted though, so I wish to get.
Well, don't say it out loud. Then it won't come true. Exactly. I wish I get some good dick. Huh? Wait, what? Don't say anything. I gotta be careful. I just waited away too quickly.
Oh, no, I wasn't paying attention to y'all because my wish I wasn't gonna waste it. I'm turning 30. It was a good wish. Forget y'all.
I just like I didn't think of need the whole, whole
Hey, boo. Okay, so today is the best day ever. It's the day that I was born, and it's the day that everyone should celebrate, even you. But so I have some friends coming over today, and we're going to drink some bubbly, and we're going to celebrate me being 30. That rhymed, and that was a crime. Okay. I ordered this giant black 30 from Amazon, and I'm thinking of just putting it up the 3 and the 0, like right here on that wall. So let's see. Okay, so I'm having a really hard time coping with the fact that I'm turning 30, so I thought I'll bring on an expert and ask him how he dealt with turning 30. Because now he's, whoa, how old are you now? 31. 31. Ooh.
No, not yet. That's tomorrow. What? Don't age me.
So Lucas, any tips for people turning 30 today? How do you cope?
Alcohol, crying, midlife crisis, stuff like that. Just simple stuff.
What about a Tesla?
Yeah, well, yeah, that's but you have to have an amazing wife for that. So.
Well, it looks like I need to go find myself a wife for my 30s, so.
Right.
Oh, Rachel, you into like sister wives?
As long as you take care of my kids, I'm sure.
Right?
That sounds like too much work. Never mind, I'm old. Look at Rachel's shirt. Ah, isn't it cute?
And it says Black Girl Magic, something like that, yeah.
I cannot believe you found that.
Black women are magic.
Oh my gosh, that shirt is legit the truth.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
such a great time at my birthday brunch. My friends just left and I want to take a whole nap. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, may your birthday brunch game be as strong as your coffee game. I love your latte. There you go. Bye, boos. This is the aftermath of kids playing together while the adults enjoy some mimosas. Oh my god. This is a disaster. I'm just gonna burn the whole room.